SpeedBox. Break the limits. SpeedBox 3.1 for specialized, optionally with B-tuning. Necessary tools. Step 1. Removing the cover and battery. Step 2. SpeedBox Installation. Step 3. Cover assembly. Step 4. Tuning control. SpeedBox will be activated after the second power-up of the e-bike with a preset maximum speed limit of 50 km per hour. You can check the currently set maximum speed limit by switching between two assistance modes. To set the maximum speed limit, switch the modes in the order shown in the video. The current speed limit will be displayed. Set the speed limit of your own choice by activating the walk function briefly. The last displayed limit is saved after 5 seconds of inactivity. After the first installation or after each change of the maximum speed limit, it is necessary to restart the e-bike twice. Only after the second power-up, the speed limit changes will take effect. You can set the real wheel circumference by changing the modes in the order shown in the video. The e-bike display will then show the set wheel diameter in inches. The value of 27.5 km per hour corresponds to a diameter of 27.5 inches, that is a circumference of 2,194 millimeters. By brief activation of the walk function, you increase the diameter of the wheel by units of inches. By switching a mode and brief activation of the walk function, you then increase the diameter of the wheel by tenths of Attention! If you want to uninstall SpeedBox, return the speed limit to 25 km per hour. If you have a version with B-tuning technology, you can pair your e-bike with a SpeedBox. This mobile application allows you to monitor your performance, view diagnostic data of your e-bike, control the tuning and save your trips. Non-B-tuning versions do not have the Bluetooth technology and cannot be paired with your The SpeedBox app home screen displays your riding data and information about both yours and your motor's power and energy consumption. The diagnostics part then shows even detailed parameters of your ride, e-bike and battery. In settings you may change the PIN or service password, reset the SpeedBox, set the speed warning, speed limit or wheel size.